Hello everyone, my name is Chandan Kumar and today I am going to talk about my domain course Construction Planning, Monitoring and Project Management and how it helped me to get a job. So basically this domain consists of various integral subjects such as study of drawings and plan, project scheduling and management, quantity estimation and equipment management, site study and study on contract laws, concepts of quality control and checking, and site supervision project. This course provides essential fundamental knowledge such as the technical terms in various construction and civil related work, the equipments used in the construction, estimating the cost of the total construction work, maintenance of various construction equipments, methods of marking layouts, etc. Apart from all this, it also makes certain that we will be able to work with the latest trend of the construction industry, understanding the different methods of project delivery and the roles and responsibilities of all constituents involving in the design and construction process. It also helped me to gain experience in supervision and applying the concepts of project management and construction planning. Talking about my job as a CAD designer, this domain provided the very foundation of my growth in software handling by enhancing my skills on softwares such as AutoCAD, Revit, MS Project, Primavera, etc. Thanks to the excellent mentors and their remarkable guidance through the course, I was able to get a great placement. At last, I would like to say if you are looking for a good domain, then you should definitely check out this domain. Thank you.